2 months ago, I made the trip and trip of the Yucatan to celebrate my cousin's birthday normality. The drive from my home is Oshuscap to my aunt's house in Tecas takes about 25 minutes, but they was different. A hurricane fell about long the way, and because of the journey took us around 45 minutes, even though I was longer than usual. The ride became very special. During the ride, I had the chance to talk with my mom about no mentor semester at the minority seminary. At then, I told her this was a wonderful place that have made the opportunity to meet many people and family. I shared my experience from spontaneous, like visiting Saint Maria Goretti Parish in Merida, as well my encounters with the uncles of the seminary, these proper networks, and the benefactors were praying for us and also help us finally see. We also had Talketabu, my teachers and class and the preparatory Yucatan were part of my daily life. That conversation was very meaningful to me because I love to share with my mom the joy and the experience I even in life in the seminary.